So I got about 175,000 miles on this truck. In the last few months, when I've hit 70 miles an hour, the thing shakes a little bit. Also, when I'm at low speeds, I hear a thump or a motion in the front steering. It's not super tight. So I got these sway bar bushings. They were like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna start there, and hopefully that solves the problem. 2014 Silverado, a 34 millimeter sway bar. First thing I'm gonna do is just lift it up. I don't know, about an inch or so. Just want to relieve pressure. The bushings are being pinched right now. And a nice little tip. If you're gonna do this, turn your wheel. That relieves the, or opens it up for some more space over there. Now, I didn't put blocking or anything under when I jacked this up because I'm not taking it all the way off the ground. All four wheels are still on the ground, and I'm on a flat surface. It's not really sloped, so not much danger of this truck rolling away, but always use blocking. Since I just picked the worst day to do this, I'm gonna lay down a sheet because it's wet. .10 millimeter socket, and I've got my breaker bar. So I just climbed under here. I'll just take a tour right from here. You can see the sway bar bushings are these right here. Polymer of some sort. Tip on this one, check the part number on the actual existing bushing. It will give you the diameter. I measured this sway bar and I was still off just a little bit because it's in metric, and we're Americans, you know, so it's tough for us. But learn my lesson, always check the part number before you order the right one. So I had to wait an extra week for these. Not a big deal though, here we are. There are two 10 millimeter bolts that need to be removed. Just a U-shaped bracket, and I'd recommend cleaning off all the gunk that's in there. This bushing just comes off, it's split. Just take it off and put the new bushing in its place. New bushing. Fits right on there. Same process as before, just put it back together. One down, one to go. All right, side number 2, passenger side. Didn't jack it up. See how this frame is sitting right on that bushing? It's pinching it in place. All I gotta do is put the jack on it, lift it about an inch or so, release that pressure, and that bushing will slide right off. There's now a gap here. This guy just wiggles free. And there you have it. Old bushing out, new bushing in.